Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Learn the Lingo. There's two terms out there for property managers. There's the landlord and the slumlord. And what you've got to understand is that they are two completely different things. A landlord is someone who actually cares about their tenants. They understand that they are there to help and serve their tenants. The slumlord sees the tenants as their adversary. They steal from the property. What do I mean by steal from the property? Hey, you need 10 new ACs, but instead you take the money and go spend it on a new Tesla. That's stealing from the property. You didn't make that money because you weren't taking care of your tenants. You made the money by not taking care of your tenants. That's a slumlord. Now, understand this too. Sometimes good people become slumlords and they don't even see it happening. How does this happen? Someone goes out and buys an apartment complex without taking a course on how to run an apartment complex. This is a huge mistake. There are laws, there are best practices, there are principles. There's so much to understand when buying rental property that you can't learn it by trial and error. You want to learn it in advance so that you do the deal correctly right out of the blocks. I have bought so much property, 22 units, 40 units, 200 units, from people who just simply did not know how to manage real estate. They arrogantly said, oh, I can figure this out. This is not rocket science. I'll trial and error it. Well, they trial and errored themselves into slumlords because they didn't have the money to do the rehab, to maintain the properties, because they couldn't lease it properly, they couldn't take care of their tenants properly, and it just went downhill. So again, a landlord is someone who truly cares. They understand that we're here to help and serve other people with our real estate, and their business model does so. A slumlord steals from the property or mismanages the property to where it's no longer functional. That's Learn the Lingo. Thanks for watching.